Let's talk about how to learn to love. Paano ba magmahal ng sakto, ng tama, ng walang labis at walang kulang? I'm not an expert here but gusto ko lang i-share ang alam ko dahil gusto ko ring matuto sa inyo. Paano ba matututunang magmahal ng tama? Una, we have to start with ourselves. Self-love, ika nga. Kailangan nating buuin ang ating sarili. We have to understand our needs, wants, and boundaries. Kailangan nating pahalagahan at respetuhin ang ating sarili para may maibigay tayo na pagmamahal sa iba. At pag buo ka na, you are ready to connect with other. And if you're ready, you have to listen truthfully without judgment to build trust from your partner or to the other person. You have to be patient and kind. Be consistent. Hindi ka lang magpaparamdam kapag may need or want ka sa kanya. Deepen your understanding. Hindi lang dapat ikaw ang iniintindi niya. Matuto ka ring makinig at umintindi. And last but not the least, action speaks louder than words. Now, let me ask you this. Paano matututunang magmahal? Paano ba ang magmahal? Type your thoughts on the comment section below para may dadagdag din sa mga kaalaman ko. Thank you!